Very nice. Smile. Smile, please. Smile. Smile, రావాలి. Okay, very good.
Laya, show your want to see your teeth, please, Laya. Laugh.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Smile, Laya.
వచ్చాడు బాబు ఫోన్ చేస్తాడు నువ్వే నీకు ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నావు సరే
I once again inform semi-finals. It has been postponed to 15 minutes.
తప్పది లైట్ మ్యూజిక్ పెట్టి లైట్ గా
All India Carrom Federation, Andhra Carrom Association, and Visakhapatnam District Carrom Association.
I request everybody to come to near to the lamp area. Please join here. Everybody, please join here.
Desires to wish you. It is a harvest of festivals, harvest of plentiness. India is primarily happiness of a farmer, Indian farmer who is toiling hard and feeding millions of Indians. This is our culture, this is our tradition, and we thank the organizers for having given a glimpse of what our culture is. Thank you, welcome, very happy Pongal, and the best of best performances from you, the players.
One second. So once again, good morning everybody. Today we are here for celebrating Pongal Sankranti. Today we are the Carrom family we are celebrating here. And we have our elderly person like Mr. Dr. Mowgli. So I'll give a brief of Dr. Mowgli. Who is he? Everybody is getting surprised. Who is he? Let me introduce him. He is the, now by this time everybody knows that what is Shiva Shivani School. He is the president of that Shiva Shivani School. He has come all the way for this ceremony. So Dr. Mowgli, I'll give his brief. He is an assistant professor, College of Applied Medical Sciences, King Faisal University Educational Society, managed Shiva Shivani School, Maripal has won globally. Dr. G. Mowgli is a PhD in medical record, fellow of AHMI USA, American Health Information Management System, which is the highest recognition for a non-American institution. Such a great personality is among us today. So long live Dr. At the end of our campaign, today you are here as a family, like father and parents like you are here. And we thank you very much. And kindly light the lamp and start the celebration. Happy Pongal to everybody. Happy Sankranti. Happy Sankranti. Happy Sankranti. Another, please join Dr. Mowgli garu. Please. Dr. Dheeraj, Shiva Shivani, correspondent, wherever you are, kindly come. Pongalo Pongal. Pongalo Pongal. Dr. Dheeraj. I request Dr. Mowgli garu to kindly give Pongal message.
Well, I don't know much, to be frank. The first time I'm celebrating after many years. But anyhow, hello. First of all, let me wish you all the best for the Pongal. Happy Pongal. And I wish you all the carom lovers and professionals, friends, my dear friends. I am enjoying actually more than you. Last few days I am enjoying. I used to play when I was young, lot of games. Sports was my life, my blood, everything. But now I see you, I realize now, when going, I'll buy one carom. I'm telling here, I will go and practice every day. I tell one thing, I'm not a speaker to talk. We are not politicians, we are only a professional friend. Dear friends, all of you here, first of all, you smile yourself. I would say, when you smile, all of your energy comes out. Positive energy, you can hit the one shot, 4 coins goes inside. The point is, positive mind, little dedication. When you swim, go to deeper, then come back. Don't stay there. Come back. And if you have honesty, it will always be the truth. Sincerity, little sacrifice, dedication, commitment, positive mind. Positive mind will love, keeps you happy. If I hit him, I am the only sufferer, not he. I hit, I go back. Later I realize why I made my hand spoiled. The unhappiness comes to me not what happens, I don't know him. But I am happy. Even I hit, I am not happy. Why should I hit? So I think the point is simple point. The Pongal message is that let us be happy, let us try to smile. The positive. The word says positive mind. Everything try to positive. Negative is like shadow with us. Always is with us. Nobody tell me any fellow is happy. Fellow has 10 bungalows, he wants 20. He has Mercedes, he wants 10 Mercedes. And I will start more there. So simple, I don't waste my time and your time, I not my time. So we should this all the best wishes to all.
I think this is that be happy, create your positive energy in this one where you can get success. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you. By seeing you at this age of 69, young and dynamic, we get positive energy from you.
So, but actually I want to correct one small thing. I have been a WHO consultant, advisor. I have served Afghanistan as a senior consultant advisor, Ministry of Health at top level, because I want this motivation to you, not to me. Afghanistan, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, UAE, name it. I was in USA, UK, all the almost. But I don't say by telling, don't think I'm proudly telling. I want to bring enthusiasm, the young people to see that nothing is there. You can touch the sky if you want. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Again, you are standing at table leadership of Shiva Shivani. Many more events will be coming. I hope you will take initiative for Karens. Hope your cooperation with it. And as soon as Mr. Hardas Sahib will give his message, we will have the Kolatam, the AP traditional Sankranti, small dandiya-like program is there. 10 minutes. That will be choreographed by Mr. Saifman. Saifman, be ready after the speech.
He is a learned, knowledgeable gentleman. But I correct you.
because I have to correct you. As far as the sportsmen are concerned, if they win one title, they look for second, look for third, look for fourth, look for 10th, and they will continue to be greedy. This is sports, and sports is an exception to the desire to achieve and achieve. And I think all of you will aim it, and All India Carrom Federation promises you, sir, there will be one wild card entry in veteran singles for you next year.
With that assurance, I thank Mr. Atal. Now I request Dr. Neeraj and S.K. Sharma sir join the celebration of his first Carrom fraternity. Carrom वाला भी संक्रांत celebrate कर रहा है एक family के जैसे. Happy संक्रांत sir.
We elders bless young Mr. S.K. Sharma, General Secretary of All India Carrom Federation.
Sir, in case S.K. Sharma sir young, what we are.
You are kid.
Now I request S.K. Sharma sir to give greetings to all of us.
Sankranti ki और Pongal the best on this great festival day, and I hope you are going to succeed in your life, and I wish you all happiness and success in the lives of all, and great success in Carrom career also. सभी को एक बार फिर से संक्रांति, बिहू, पोंगल
Formally inaugurated by Murli Sir and Madam. Madam, please come.
Thank you, sir.
Please give let's come back.
Because sir, me your daddy. Yes. Ah, okay.
1, 2, 3, start. Come on, sir. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Madam, one time that side and one time this side. You are.
Okay.
Start.
பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் பொங்கலோ பொங்கல் எல்லாருக்கும் பொங்கல் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
So, Sai Kumar now take over and Mother Nadia, Telugu Palatam. Music, please give some room. Sharma Sahab, kindly come and take the prasad. Prasad from Sharma Sahab. All players, officials, take prasad from our Sharma Sahab.
ఏడు బాబులు